Want to get this? Welcome to Beauty Garage. My name is Chris Dale, and today we're working on this Acura Integra. It's our new project car, and today it's getting a new NRG steering wheel, hub extension, short throw shifter, and box shift knob. Let's get going. First things first, I need to remove this screw, and then there's another screw on the other side to get to the shifter. I removed a screw right there and 2 screws on the back of the center console. There's a screw right here, 2 more screws on the other side, and then I guess I'll just remove this right now. Okay. Alrighty, we got that out of the way now. We actually do have some new True Heart billet shifter bushings, which will make it very notchy and stiff. So now I gotta jack the car up to get underneath. Okay, so now I'm underneath the car. I have to remove the shift linkage from the shifter. I'm really glad this car doesn't have 220,000 miles on it. Oh, you know.
Bad smack about my baby?
About your Forester? Yeah. What are you doing? Oh. Good. Okay, so the shifter, the only way to take it out is with these 10 mil bolts, but there's nothing on the other side keeping them from moving. Oh wait, if I keep them, never mind. I have to press them down while I unscrew it. That's the only way to keep them from moving, so I'm gonna use my vice grips. Yeah! Okay, I got the solid bushings for the shift linkage right here. I'm just gonna put them in. I need leverage in order to do this. There we go. All right, well, I got the little rubber grommet on the shifter. Now all I gotta do is put it in. Just stay right there. That's all you gotta do is just not move. I got the shifter in the shift linkage. It's time to put her back in. Cameraman, can you hand me my Allen wrenches?
Yes.
Want to get this? Oh, time for sponsor share. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. We got it in, boys. Woohoo! Okay, friends, we got the new shifter in. We just put the shift knob on just to test it out, and it's amazing. Now, time to remove the steering wheel. Alrighty, so got our new NRG hub extender right here. Oh hey, if you're seeing items on this table, that means we've got more content for you going into the car right behind me. So remember, click that subscribe button and ring that bell. So this is kind of a pain in the butt, but they got little nuts on the ends. Gotta remove all those before I can put it in. All right, it's on. It looks amazing with the shifter. This is gonna be a nice car to drive. So now I gotta put this plastic back on. Okay, well, we got the goodies in, and once you get the goodies in, that means you gotta put everything back together. All right, so everything's installed. The new NRG steering wheel, blocks short throw shifter, blocks weighted shift knob, and True Heart bushings are in. Do you like the color combination with the wood steering wheel and the red and black shift knob? If not, let us know what you would do differently in the comments below. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.